Well, yesterday was Good Friday and today is boring Saturday. Hard lockdown. We're in a Robinson's Mall that's essentially closed. I don't know why she's there, but everything else is closed except the supermarket. And we're going to the supermarket to pick up the last of the ingredients we need to make Arroz Caldo. And here we are. Just like an oasis. I've been trying to get kasuba, which turns the Arroz Caldo yellow, but there's no kasuba in the supermarket, and there's no saffron, which was my fallback. But I wanted malangkit. This is malangkit. It's a glutinous rice that you use when you're cooking Lugaw or Arroz Caldo. Oh boy, this is difficult. But yeah, no kasuba, which is unfortunate. You need some chicken pieces. So I need pieces. So I'm getting the chicken leg quarter, and I'm going to get that cut up, and then some wings to throw in there. Now I just need some calamansis, and we've got everything we need. It's a pity we couldn't get the kasuba or saffron, because it won't go that nice sort of orange color that we want. That's a pity. Where are the calamansis? Oh, okay, terrific. Thanks. All right. 43 pesos. And that's everything, I think. Chicken, 213 pesos. Hello everybody, we've got all our ingredients, and what we're going to do is we'll start preparing. We were going to make a lugaw, but we decided that was a little bit too easy, so we're going to make an arroz caldo, which is a little more difficult. And so we've got all of the ingredients here. Calamansi, spring onion, and dried garlic, and they're really condiments to go on the top. We've got ginger, onion, and garlic. We've got a hard-boiled egg, which we'll halve, and that will be a condiment really as well. It'll go on top of the finished dish. We've got a chicken cube. We've got half a kilo of chicken, serve-size pieces of chicken, and we've got this rice, which is malangkit rice, which is a glutinous rice. We've got oil, vegetable oil, fish sauce, and pepper to be added later. And that's it. That's everything. The ingredients have been prepped, and we're ready to cook. So we're just putting the oil in. The pot is really hot, and the first thing that'll go in is the garlic. Pop in the garlic. Right down. Then the onion. And then ginger. Oh, it smells good. Putting the chicken in. So I'll just throw it all in. And the idea will be to brown the chicken. All right, we'll give it a bit of a stir. It seems to be browning up nicely. Oh no, it needs more time. Oh, the ginger smells lovely. All right, the chicken's browning up nicely, and so it's time for us to put in the malakit rice, the glutinous rice. And we've got about 250 grams of rice. Just stir that in. Let the rice soak up a bit of the flavour, the chicken fat and the ginger and the garlic and the onion. Now we're going to add some water. Just enough to cover it, a little bit more. More? That's about right? Okay. Well, it seems like a lot of water. But then again, there's quite a lot of rice in there. Alright, now we've just got to leave that to cook down for a while, stirring occasionally. Now we're going to put in the chicken cube, and that will just dissolve during the cooking. And we're going to put in a bit of fish sauce, and that'll do, just for a bit of salt. All right, that's looking good. We've stolen this recipe from Panlasang Pinoy because he's fantastic. I mean, it's just a great channel. He suggests in his recipe that we use, what's it called?
Kasuba.
Kasuba, which is the petal of a flower. It's red, and it would turn it a really lovely orangey, yellowy orange colour.
Arroz Caldo.
But I tried 2 supermarkets and they didn't have it. Also, he suggests if you can't get that, get saffron. And I tried 2 supermarkets and again couldn't get any saffron, which is pretty disappointing. But so we'll just go ahead without using that. You don't have to use it. He also said that the kasuba doesn't add any flavour to the dish, which is interesting. Whereas saffron would add a little bit of flavour. But anyway, we'll see how we go. I'll just have a quick check. Oh, that's looking nice. Oh, it smells really good. Right, okay. Turn that down a little bit, I think. And if you're enjoying this culinary adventure, beautiful people, don't forget to subscribe and like, and come and visit me at Facebook. We're just going to add a little bit of pepper. Take off the lid. There, that smells lovely. Smells good. Just do a final check. Oh, that looks pretty good. Yep. Oh, it's nice and thick. I think that's it. Ready to be served. All right, Chicken Arroz Caldo with the fried garlic pieces, half a hard-boiled egg, a couple of 2 halves of calamansi on the top, and some spring onions. The spring onions from here, we've just sprinkled over the top. And now the taste test, a la Pansaleng Pinoy. Pansalong.
Panlasang. Panlasang.
Chicken Arroz Caldo, a la Panlasang Pinoy. Give it a taste test. Oh, it's really nice. Oh, it's really good. I think, oh, it's great. It's really nice. one thing we learnt while making this was that at first we didn't put in enough water, so we probably added another half a pint or maybe a quarter of a litre of water to the mix, and I probably put too much chicken in. I probably didn't need quite so much chicken, and the chicken should have been chopped up a little bit more. But other than that, as a first attempt, this is really nice.